morning, my dear students. Today we discuss about same unit 1, the energy, the subject of energy technology. Last class we have discussed about introduction to energy and then global energy scenario, Indian energy scenario. We need more focus on renewable energy. So Indian government also spending more amount to develop such a energy. Today we discuss about units of energy, conversion factor, general classification of energy. Lateral we discuss energy crisis, energy alternatives. First, unit of energy. Generally we can follow SI unit. First at the beginning 1915 several measurement system can be followed at different countries, because the countries have their own standard. That's why different country followed different standards, measurement technique. And 1960 SI unit introduced. All the form of energy measured in terms of same, the unit is called joule to measure the energy. Energy science and technology involves various physical quantities such as length, principle, some measurement unit, all the physical quantity involved in the energy science. Each quantity gives certain basic dimensions, either there is a length, mass or time. We can use such a quantity to define unit. It is a form of energy, it's a mechanical, there's a energy, force, matter, acceleration, velocity. This all the quantities are measured by mechanical. Similarly, thermal, heat, temperature, enthalpy, entropy. What is the enthalpy, entropy and exergy we will discuss about later. Electrical, energy, work, power, current, voltage, power factor, resistance, etc. And then chemical, molecular weight, substance, hydrogen ions concentration, because more biggest parameter based on the hydrogen ion concentration, and the heat of chemical reaction, either heat is observable or heat is rejection. Such type of chemical reaction we discuss about later. First, mechanical energy. Mechanical energy is nothing but mechanical work is related to the macroscopic quantities, not microscopic quantities, because work is more readily visible any type of work in the mechanical. Generally, the definition of work is a force into displacement in the direction. So the formula is W, the work equal to force. We can apply it. Force, the L is the distance the object to be traveled. Cos theta indicates the direction of travel, either horizontal or vertical. Work is the same unit. The unit is called joule. Either is a mechanical or electrical. We need some conversion factor to convert the energy. Heat is a thermal energy, is measured by the calories. It's another form of energy. The 1 calorie is equal to 4.16 joules. It is a conversion factor. We can mind it and we remind about later. Mass and energy is mass and energy as correlated by Einstein equation. So mass and energy is a main interrelated by Einstein equation. The equation is, we everyone know, E is equal to mc squared. That's the m is denoted the molecular weight, c is the velocity of light. And then second point, 1 joules is always equal to 1 watts per second. We can use as the domestic power is the watt equal to, and then same the Newton meter, it is as the torque, it is also energy. 3 parameter almost equal, and then followed by we can write 1 kilowatt hour, we can write 3.6 megajoules. Suppose the unit is a very big, we can use such a parameter, mega, kilo, giga, we can use to define the unit. and the 1 kilowatt hour also equal to 860 kilocalories. It is this type of parameter we can use for electrical energy. 1 kilogram is always equal to 9.81 joules. Generally, energy is an essential property to perform your work. We need more energy to perform more work. The energy is classified kinetic energy or potential energy. Energy is a matter at rest. Generally, this formula or this application we can use as a nuclear reaction. Kinetic energy, you can write what is the kinetic energy. At the plus 2 level or 10th level, we can study about kinetic energy, potential energy. Suppose it is possible to ask 2 marks, we need to write the energy in the body by the action of motion. So body in motion, that time the energy will be expressed. The formula of mv squared unit is joule. Given mass and velocity, we can find out kinetic energy. It has some problem. Next class we discuss about the problem. And then potential energy. A body has such a position with the gravitational field. Without gravitational field, it is a energy, rest of energy. Okay. Potential energy mgh, mass and acceleration due to gravity. In Earth we have 9.81. Moon, do you know how much? I did not know, but exactly 1/6. That means almost 2 meter per second. 2 point something of meter per second. H is the height of object placed from the gravitational field. Is power. Power is nothing but we need the power. We can use electrical also. The power is the time rate of work done by the force. 1 joule also I am already explained about that. 1 joule equal to 1 watt per second, 1 newton per meter. Joule is a relatively small unit. In multiply and prefixing for expressing large measurement. Suppose it is a 10 power 6 means we can express a megajoules. 10 power 9 means we can express gigajoules. So energy is a matter at rest. Yes, energy is a matter at rest when is a nuclear reaction happening. The matter of energy is addition to the kinetic energy and potential energy enjoined with the matter. It is always occupied inside the mass. In the normal situation is a matter, but nuclear is nothing but a matter. Normal situation. The nuclear reaction, the matter energy is released. Rotational energy is highly essential because we are study about hydro energy, wind energy, mechanical energy to electrical energy conversion in the turbine generator, energy stores in the flywheel. Here is a displacement along the circular path. The linear displacement is not a circular displacement. So displacement here denoted radian or degree. Many mechanical parts have the rotational force should be generated with the help of rotational energy. And then we discuss about electrical energy. It's nothing but electrical current is a flow of charged particle to the potential difference. The parameter electrical potential, electrical current, power, energy. Generally, it is possible to ask 2 more what do you mean by electrical energy. You can write as the first. Electrical current is the flow of charged particle due to potential difference, and then last point you can write electrical energy is a form of electrical current flowing electrical circuit and machines. It is another definition. It's some quantities we need to discuss about such quantities. Unit of electrical energy and mechanical is same. Joule. 1 joules equal to 1 watts per second. Electrical current and then ampere. This ampere is denoted as a load. The measure of electrical current rate is the flow of charge. So electrical Q divided by T. Q is the current supply in Coulomb with respect to time. So 1 ampere current is equal to the flow of 1 coulomb charge. It's nothing but a charge in second. So current C is equal to ampere into what the time required to charge. It is a measure of electrical quantities. By definition of electrical potential is a work per unit electrical charge. It is a few definition. It is another one definition. When the charge is moved to with the help of potential difference voltage V, is the voltage, then we got certain electrical work. That's a work is equal to Q into V. Q is the charge move between the potential difference. V is the voltage. So work W is equal to Q into V. Electrical power is the time rate of flow, not the FLOW. Okay, flow of electrical energy. Power equal to energy by time. It is also watt. Chemical energy. Chemical energy is a main parameter because more chemical energy obtained from the many chemical reaction. The chemical energy, where is it available? It is a form of energy in the bonding with the micro forces between the atom molecule in the form of bond. The chemical energy depending upon what the type of fuel, heat energy, heat of combustion of fuel, quantity, how much fuel we can combustion, and then energy utility factor. It is nothing but how much amount of we can fuel supplied, how much amount of ratio between how much amount of fuel supplied and how much amount of energy we got it. It's a ratio between them. Thermal energy. Yes, thermal energy unit is joule. Thermal energy we always give the P parameter. What is the heat? Heat is required to stop the transformation. Suppose it is a liquid, we need to transform gaseous form, we need heat. Enthalpy is very helpful to measure how much energy content in the system per unit mass. Entropy is another one of few definitions. How much amount of energy content in the system to perform the work, useful work. Generally, energy we cannot able to define useful and waste work, but entropy is defined how much amount of useful work can be performed with the help of energy. And then next we discuss about conversion factor. Before that, if we definition about the energy, generally energy cannot be newly created. It is already available. We cannot destroy it. We can change one form to another form. In a closed system, the total mass and energy remain unchanged. It is one example for our sun. It is a closed system. The mass of sun is always constant, but energy also constant. The law do say differ. Yes, the thermodynamic law or the conservation factor law not different, which is a useful or wasted energy, and also it should be neglected all losses. Without considered losses, we cannot able to define few factor. Generalized energy equation means is nothing but we can consider all the parameters in simple equation. The total energy in the closed system is the algebraic sum of component. It is a second law. I think it's the second law of Newton. We need aware of following aspect to calculation for energy conservation. First, what the type of law we can use? Law of conservation of energy and the generalized energy equation and particular energy equation. The law of conservation energy we can discuss here later. It is the generalized law. E is a total energy in the closed system. Next we discuss nuclear energy thermal energy, mechanical energy, chemical energy, biomass energy, electrical energy, potential energy and other energy. We combined all the energy to form a single. It is a law of conservation. It is a unit is a joule. First law of thermodynamics. It is possible to ask a 2 mark. Energy exists many form. Yes, everyone know the energy conversion process. One form of energy is transformed to another form of energy. The energy cannot be created newly, cannot be destroyed. In a closed system, total remaining energy unchanged. So we need energy to transfer one form to another form. First point. Second, we cannot able to newly created. And same time we are not unable to destroy. In a closed system, the total energy remain unchanged. Next is second law. Second law say the form of energy possesses certain quality. The quality of various form of energy is different. Do you understand? The second law of thermodynamics said the form of energy possesses certain quality. Each energy have certain quality within itself. The process means within itself have certain quality. The quality of various form of energy different because the nuclear energy different. Mechanical machines also producing various quality of energy. If energy conservation process same conservation process, some energy is converted into useful and worthless. So during conversion, the energy come out of the system to perform some useful work, some energy worthless. It is a second law. And then we know about the Newton's law of motion. But the body has to rest as continues to be rest unless a force act on it. Second is the bodies of motion continues to be continued and constant velocity unless force act on it. Is the first law. Second law is nothing but net force acting on your body is proportional to the product of mass and acceleration. Below give the equation F is equal to ma into a. It's a product of mass and acceleration. Unit is a Newton. It's a Newton's third law. Every action there is a equal and opposite reaction. It is a naturally happen. It is a Newton's third law. Thermodynamics law, Newton law. It is possible to ask 2 mark questions. And the dimensionless equation. It is nothing but it is not defined as a unit. It gives only dimensions of concerned energy. There is an example. Force equal to mass into acceleration. Acceleration nothing but change in velocity per time. It is we can write here. It is some example we can use some conversion factor. We can define some unit. And then energy conservation equation. How to write the energy conservation process represented by the link. Yes, it is a simple arrow in the energy chain. Each time has same dimension. That's a ml because example for energy ml divided by t square. It's the common for all the suppose chemical energy.